Hello there. This is OMS Forex once again. I this is Euro USD. I took this trade this afternoon. I want to explain the reason why I took the trade. Yes. If you look at the trend from this area, this place I'm going to highlight now. Up here, yeah. Uh, to me, Forex is all about technical analysis. It's all about price action. So if you look at this place right here, there's been a change of character to the uptrend. When the market is forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, that is an uptrend. When market is, I repeat it once again, when market is forming higher high, higher low, that is an uptrend. If you look at this blue box here that I'm shaking right here, this is the first higher high. Here, down here, let me delete this one. Down here is the lower low. Yeah, this is the lower low. This is the higher high, the first higher high that changed the trend, that changed the structure of the market. Yeah, this is the first higher high. So when the candlestick here broke this higher high, this area, it will tell you that there's a change, there's a shift from downward to an uptrend. If you look at it over here, it has been coming down. It has been coming down right from this place. It has been coming down to this place. But when the price got to this area, from down here, when the price moved up to this area, it has changed the structure to an uptrend. If you look at it over here, so this higher high, this is lower low over here. All this area is lower low. All this area here is lower low. Yeah, you can also call it a support. So like I said the other time, when the market is forming higher high, higher low, that is an uptrend. So this is the higher high, the next higher high. This is down here is higher low. If you look at it very well, this higher low. So when the market broke this higher high, so the trend has changed to an uptrend. So to enter this particular trade for a buy, when the market broke out, you need to wait for a retest. And you see when the market broke out from this place, yeah, the best thing is to wait for a retest, retracement, retest or retracement. Yeah, let me remove this ray so that you can understand very well. Yeah, you can see the structure has been broken here. This area, the structure has been broken, and the market came back. It retraced down to this place over here. So for you to enter this this particular trade, um, you need to wait for price to move up like this one. Move up when it close above this level. You can call this one also a level right here. This is a particular level right here, the resistance. And like I said earlier on, this higher high, this higher high was broken, and the trend was turned from downward trend to uptrend. So if you look at it very well, so for you to enter this trade, you enter the trade from you enter for a buy from this area here, from this close of this candle here, this green one. That's where you enter for a buy, and you put your stop loss below this area. Below this area here, you can see the stop loss is too large, but I see, to me, I see forex as an investment. So somebody can enter earlier by going to lower time frame, this area. When you see that it's forming higher low, you can go down to lower time frame. You see, go down to lower time frame and look for change of structure. Something like this that happened here. It's a change of structure that happened here. You can go to lower time frame and have an entry for smaller uh, stop loss. So let me move on. So when the market is forming higher high, higher low, that is an uptrend. So let me begin to label it. This is another higher high here. This another higher low. Am I correct? Yes. Higher low. So I want to explain the reason why I took this sell. So this another higher high over here. This is another higher low over here. Yeah. So like I said here earlier, when the market is forming higher high, higher low, that is an uptrend. Now for you to know when there's a change in the direction of the trend, maybe from uptrend to downtrend, there's a particular thing you need to notice. If you look at this place, this area, yeah, this is another higher high, over here. So this higher low over here, if you look at this one, this line, this higher low over here. So once it break this higher low over here, this last higher low, once the market broke it, that means the trend has changed from uptrend to downtrend. So the trend is about to change from uptrend to downtrend. If you look at it, the candlestick broke through that higher low over here, this last higher low over here. When the candlestick, when the price broke through that last higher low, you should begin to take your profit. You should be looking for a sell. So when I saw this, I waited for a retest that I told you the earlier time. This is a retest. I'm going to draw it for you now. This is a retest. Came back to retest this level and begin to come down. So the market has changed from uptrend to a downtrend. You understand what I'm trying to talk about? So, like I said earlier, when the market is forming higher high, higher low, that is an uptrend. So when the market is the opposite side, when the market is forming higher high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, that is a downtrend. You can see the market has been forming uh, higher high and lower low, lower high rather. Look at this area now. This is the last higher high that we have over here, and this is lower low over here. It may look small, but that is, let me draw it very well. Look at this area. We'll go to 1 hour, it will be more clearer. Like this. So this is lower high. So when the market is forming higher high, lower high, this is another lower low. This is another lower high. This area here. Once I see change of character, change of structure over uh, this particular area, when the last higher low was broken, this area, so I begin to look for a sell. I waited for a retracement, this particular retracement over here, this one. So when I see a bearish engulfing, that is when I begin to sell. If you look at it, this one is a bearish engulfing here. So that is when I enter for a sell. So the market is now in a downward trend, this Euro USD. So when I see the market is forming this higher high, lower, this one is lower high, this another lower low, this lower low, yeah, lower high. So sometimes it may sound confusing, but you got to know what you are doing. You can watch the video over and over to understand what I'm trying to say. So that is the reason why I took this sell this afternoon, and you can see it's in profit already. So I'm going to hold it. The market might come down to this area. Let me see, to this point here. So to be successful in this business, you need to use money management. So money management is very, very important. So have a peace of mind using money management. This is a $300 account. So I'm using 0.01. I also entered for gold, but it's currently running in loss right now. But I believe it's still going to go down in my favor. Let's look at the chart. Yeah, you can see the same thing I'm explaining over there. Yeah, you can see this is higher high, this lower high, this is lower low, this is lower high. Yeah, when you see something like that, that is a downtrend. When the market is forming lower high, lower low, lower high rather, when the market is forming higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, that is a downtrend. So the same thing happened to gold over here. So I enter for a sell in this area over here. So because this evening time already is trying to retrace, tomorrow it may go down, begin to go down in my favor. That is why you need to use money management. So I'm still going to hold it. If the market did not break this last lower high, so I'm still going to hold it. So you see a downtrend. But if the market broke through this last lower high, I'm going to exit. If the market do something like this and close above it, I may exit. But if it does not, I'm going to hold it down to this area here. Forex is a game of probability. It may come down to this area. So that is what I have for you today. Phone trading. I use my phone to trade. So I know you might have learned one or two things from this video. So if you want a signal, forex signal from me, or if you want me to mentor you, you can join my Telegram channel. Look at the description, you see my Telegram link there, you can join. So that's it for now. Have a nice day. Thank you.